Is your Minecraft desert biome grass color looking dull and lifeless? You're not alone, and we're fixing it right now. This video will show you exactly how to restore vibrant colors using vanilla resource packs, guaranteed to transform your game. First, method 1, resetting your default resource pack. Head into options, then resource packs, move any active packs to the left, ensuring only default is active. Click down. This forces the game to load the correct vanilla texture maps. If simply resetting your pack doesn't bring back the vibrancy, the problem might lie in your game's rendering settings, leading us directly to method 2. Open video settings, set graphics to fancy, maximize biome blend, and enable smooth lighting. These settings significantly improve how biome colors are rendered. Still seeing dull grass? The issue could be deeper, suggesting corrupted game files are preventing correct texture loading. That's why method 3 is crucial, verifying game file integrity. Close Minecraft, open your launcher, navigate to installations, click the 3 dots next to your version, and hit repair. This replaces any corrupted assets. If even a full file verification doesn't resolve the dullness, the root cause is often an outdated graphics driver, which brings us to method 4. Close everything, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Restart your PC afterward. An updated driver ensures your graphics card correctly processes all game visuals, making your desert biomes pop.